Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this side flap card with the Hues of Happiness suite. All right, here is my third Hues of Happiness card. This is a side flap card, so a different kind of fun fold, and I have created it in two colors from the same 12 by 12 piece of designer series paper. So you can either do Melon Mambo or Gorgeous Grape. So I'm gonna show you Gorgeous Grape. So I've started with a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 piece of Gorgeous Grape cardstock. And then I'm just gonna adhere this on. Oh, actually, I forgot. I need to connect the two pieces first. So this piece is 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. And I'm gonna connect these two pieces first. So I have this little piece right here that is 2 1/2 by 1 inch, and you just score it in the middle, 1 1/4. Mine is a little bit off, but it will still work. So I'm just going to adhere this piece to this side right there. And then I'm going to adhere this piece to the front. But first I need to adhere, let's see, this piece. And I need to adhere this piece from the Scalloped Contours dies. I'm just going to stamp the sentiment real quickly first. Just in case. Okay, so now I'm going to put that right in the middle here. Then I'm going to put this piece in the middle here to hide that piece. And then I can attach this piece right here. And then this is 3 1/4 by 5. So then I can attach this piece. All right, now I'm gonna stamp friend on the bottom of this piece. And I can attach this with dimensionals. and that will go on the front right here. And then I have some watercolored pieces right here. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of watercoloring with this piece here. So I like to use my water painters, and I like to squeeze a little water and get everything wet first. I've stamped this with StazOn on shimmery white, and I'm just going to add a really light coat of color. Start off light and then add the dark as always. And you can leave some spots blank, it kind of makes it look cool. And then start to go in and add the dark to the insides or to one of the other sides. And then you can like just get some more water going so that these will blend out a little bit more. And then you can go in and get really dark in there. And make it look really cool. So that is how I do watercoloring, and it makes it look amazingly fantastic. So I've already got these pieces watercolored here. So I've got this nice large flower and this small flower. Again, this was on shimmery white cardstock with StazOn ink. And then I've also colored some of the leaves in Granny Apple Green. So here are some of the leaves. And then I've added some on the inside of the card as well. So don't forget to decorate the insides of your cards as well. Super fun. So just here down in the corner, I've just added 2 leaves up here. So let's put that one there. And then let's do this one down here like that. And then we just add some glossy dots. I'm just gonna put the large one up here and put the 2 small ones down here. And there we have our watercolored side flap card. So I'm offering a free card kit. This is my free card kit. When you purchase this bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code, just email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this fun fold flower card. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment on my video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.